Hey everybody, welcome to week 1 of 3700. So this week is all about setting up the class, getting to know each other a little bit. So because this is an online class, there is a little bit of, it's hard to really connect, I guess. So having you guys do these welcome speeches will help us get to know each other a little better, and that way we can feel more connected as a class, since we are going to be responding to each other and looking at each other's assignments. So, all right, so first thing you guys need to do, if you haven't yet, go look at the syllabus, make sure you know everything that's going on. Right now, weeks 1 through 4 are available, so if you do want to work ahead, if you're that kind of person, go for it. Due dates are always going to be Thursdays and Sundays, unless there's like a holiday, which we will work around that, but I think we're good, as far as I remember. So we will discuss that if something happens, but all due dates are Thursdays and Sundays. So make sure you just remember that if it's a Thursday, something's due. If it's a Sunday, something's due. So make sure you guys are keeping up with that. So make a YouTube channel. We're going to be posting a few things to the YouTube channel throughout the semester. So if you don't have one, or if you want like a separate one for class, that's fine. You are going to record and produce your welcome speech, and you're going to respond to other people. So you're going to watch your classmates and respond. And then you're also going to be reading chapter 1 during week 1, and it's 19 pages. So I wanted to get up on here and tell you guys to get started, because it's a lot of, things that we need to go through. So we have 12 weeks for this short little summer semester. So we're going to learn a lot in the 12 weeks that we have. Now, when we're doing the discussion board, so if you go into week 1, which you should be in week 1 right now, because that's where the video is going to be posted, you should look around, kind of see. I always will have a task list at the top, so you know exactly what you need to do and the due dates, okay? Anything special that I want you to know, I'll put on there. Also, the assignments are basically underneath in order. So if you look, I have a how-to instruction. So if you have no idea how to make a YouTube channel, there's instructions. If you don't know how to turn it in, there's instructions, okay? So if there's anything weird that you're like, I don't know how to do it, look and see if there's a how-to. If not, you can always email me. Now, since this is summer, I'll be on my computer probably more at nighttime, and I will try to get back to you within 48 hours. Please be mindful that I do have 2 small kids, so my days are going to be hectic, and so I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. So that's why I wanted to get this video out sooner than later. That way it'll give you guys the weekend to kind of ask any questions or things like that before we officially start on Monday. So your welcome speech is there. Just read the directions. It's just basically like an icebreaker. Get to know each other, like I said, because it is very hard on an online class to build those, connections like you do in a regular classroom. And then your week 1 discussion. So you'll always have a discussion, usually, not always, but most of the time you're going to have a discussion based off of what we read during that week. Now, the discussion will be 1 or 2 questions, and I challenge you to use outside sources. So yeah, use your book, because a lot of the questions are from the book or from like something I wanted you to watch or read. Use that, obviously, because you were supposed to read that, but I challenge you to kind of try to find things outside of the book to bring in to use. Because at the end of the semester, you're going to be writing an 8 to 10 page paper about political campaign and persuasion and different techniques. So having these other sources about persuasion you might use. So it'd be good to start collecting that stuff now. But take some time, look through the first 4 weeks. The next few weeks they'll keep popping up as the semester goes on. I try not to overwhelm you, but I do have 4 weeks ready for you. So if you want to get started, and you can get ahead. So any questions, please feel free to email me, and I'll be happy to help you.